Hello everybody, you are welcome to this channel. I am Atanu Betal and in this video we discuss about the topic of active persons and passive persons, active people and passive people. What are the differences between these two kind of people? If you look at the different kind of people, you can find the two classes of people. One is active people, another is passive people. So what are the differences between these two kinds of people, active people and passive people? This is the topic of discussions in this video. So we start our discussions about this topic, and before starting this discussion I would like to say that if you do not subscribe this channel up to now, then you can subscribe it right now. Okay, and let's start our discussions that what are the differences between active and passive people. Differences between active and passive people, the number one difference is that active people think about the thing. Active people think, then plan, and after planning they start working. So active people think, plan and start working, and passive people think but do not plan anything and do not start working. So you have to understand this point, that active people are those people who are thinking about a topic or about an action. After that, after thinking, make a plan, and after making a plan, start working. But passive people are those people, they think about different things. They think about different things but do not make any plan to complete their thinking and to implement their thinking. They do not plan, they do not start working according to their thinking, or according to their what can I say, according to their imagination. They do not this is not think, this think is just in the level of imagination. They think, after that they do nothing, they just think it. After that they do nothing and start to give some excuses. And active people, they after starting working, they got they get some byproducts, some byproducts, like they build up the self confidence, they build up the self dependence, and they build up friendship and money and success. So active people, after quick implementing the planning, active people become self confident, active people become self dependent, and active people become successful and gets a number of friends, means build up some friendship circle, build up some successful successful people circle. So these are as the byproducts of their action. The action, active people take quite quick action, they think, plan and then start working. As a result, they get this byproduct like self confidence, self dependence, money and success and friendship. They have all. But if you look at the passive people, they lose self confidence, they do not get self confidence, they even lost their self confidence and self dependence. They are becoming the negative people, and they start to give excuse. Okay, now passive people have the problem that they are giving excuse always, they have negative thinking always, they do not complete task. They think about a task but they do not plan, they do not complete their task, and they try to make some delay in every cases. Delay is their favorite action. In each case they start to make delay. Delay is their one of the means favorite word, delay. For the passive people, they always delaying in their action, delay in their taking action, and as a result they lose self confidence, self dependence, and they do not be successful in their life. They are becoming means average in their life. They do not get success in their life, but they can have the success in their life, and they do not develop this is why they do not develop their life. And another one difference between these two kind of people is that active people think about any action right now, any action complete any action right now or today. So active people think about the completing the task in today or now, but passive people think about always tomorrow, not today. They wait for the 100% perfect time, but the active people start working instantly. Active people start working after completing their planning, after completing their forward planning. After completing forward planning, the active people start working, but the passive people always wait for the perfect time and perfect planning. Okay, active people do not wait for the perfect timing and perfect planning, but the passive people, they wait for the proper time or the perfect time or 100% perfect time, 100% perfect planning, 100% perfect proof planning. So for this reason they are making delay in their action, and as a result they do not complete their task. They are thinking about the task they are thinking about, they do not complete their task because of their delaying, because of their negative thinking, because of their not planning. They do not, they think only, they do not plan anything. Sorry, not anything, they do not plan according to their task, according to completing their task. They do not think about it. So as a result they do not start working, they do not start working. They become in this, they become a failure one or an average life, leading average life. So these are the part of the active people. Okay, and these are the part of passive people. So if we again understand it in simple words, we can think it as the active people are the person who started to think about, who thinks about a task, and after that make a forward planning, and after making forward planning start working as soon as possible. But on the other hand, the passive people are those person who are thinking about a task or thinking about anything, but do not make any plan, do not try to complete their thinking by making it to plan. And by planning this thinking, by planning their thinking, they do not start working. They always give some excuse. So they always try to give try to make any task delay, because tomorrow is the very good word for them. They always think about tomorrow. I will do this work tomorrow, not today. They do not think about the today or right now. We need to complete this task, or I need to complete this task. These are called negative minded people, but the active persons are positive minded people. They always have positive attitude, and as a result they have some self confidence, they have the self dependence, and always have positive thinking and positive means positive thinking and positive outcomes. They get some positive outcomes and positive thinking as their byproducts, as a byproducts. So these are the very common differences between the active people and passive people. And these people are means people have these two kinds. One kind of people, they are active, and they think about plan anything for and then means after thinking they plan the thinking, that how they can implement that thinking, and after that they start working. But the passive people, they think it but do not make any plan, do not implement their thinking. So these are the very common differences between these two kinds of people that I want to make clear about, that there are two kinds of people, two kinds of mindsets that are present in our world, and these are active and passive, and in this way their mindsets are different. So this is our discussions right now. I tried to make a clear discussion about the action of active people and the passive people, and the mindset of active people and the passive people. I think you understand this discussion, and if you like to write anything to me, then you can write in the comment sections about this video lecture. And if you want to watch more these kinds of video, then you can find this type of video from the watch list that I made in this channel, and subscribe this channel to get means to support me, and hit the notification button to get the new video upload notification. Thank you.